how do you get a job with HTML and CSS? In this video, we're going to cover that. Hi, Iyan Kuroma here, and welcome to this channel. Many young or beginner programmer or web developer like me, we tend to ask this question a lot. How can I get a job with learning HTML and CSS? Because to begin as a web developer, you must first know how to develop or code HTML and CSS. And you must know HTML is not a programming language. HTML stands for hypertext markup language, and CSS cascading style sheets. So that's all. So the first thing you have to do to get a job as an HTML and CSS developer only is first visit freelance websites like Upwork, Fiverr, Indeed, and so on. So when you visit freelance websites like that, you will have to search for HTML and CSS jobs. So either you want to prepare code for people or create websites for local businesses or other things. That's what you have to do as a HTML and CSS developer. So after that, you will find a job there. Any job you see that you can do, just click on it and just apply for the job, and make sure your portfolio is very strong and your resume is strong also. So here are the jobs or type of jobs you can do with just knowing HTML and CSS only. You can work as a junior developer, website editor, social media manager, digital marketer, content editor, content producer, website project manager, freelancer, YouTuber, an email developer, blogging or technical content writer, creating and selling website templates. So I have to talk on that one. To create as an HTML or CSS developer, you must know how to create and sell, or if I don't know how to sell, you must know how to create website templates. What do I mean by website templates? You have to freestyle. Learning to code, you must first practice. So freestyling is one of the things you have to do. So first thing you have to do is that just code any website you code. As learning HTML and CSS, you have to code website, because the best way to know coding or learn coding is by doing coding. So you first code any website you like, a lot of websites. So the one you feel that I love this one, and this one is the most beautiful one, so that's one you just go to visit websites like ThemeForest or rapbootstrap.com. So after visiting website like that, just sell. It's very easy. You navigate to the seller button and just sell the template you have. And one of the things you can do is also become a YouTuber like me. So if you know HTML and CSS, you're gonna educate people on how to work with HTML and CSS. So, and before you can do all this, you must know or ensure that HTML and CSS, you have a very strong knowledge of that. Because I'm not saying that I just started HTML and CSS and I just want to find a job, because you can't just find a client and not impress the client, because first impression matters a lot. If you get a client now, you have to make sure the clients, you satisfy the client. So that's one of the things. And you can work as a junior developer. According to Indeed or LinkedIn, a junior developer or a junior front-end developer in the UK earn as much as £26,996. That's high. In my currency, that's pretty high. Per year, as a junior front-end developer, 966 pounds a year. That's pretty high. So and that's high, right? And that's in the UK, for those living in the UK. So you just visit companies that are looking for website creator, and what most people make, the most mistake people do is that they think the idea that is going to make out the layout or discuss how on or do the website, its graphics and everything. No, the template is already available. You just have to code it. You are not going to create the template yourself. You just have to code it out. So another thing you can do is that visit LinkedIn and just link up with programmers or web developers. Any web developer that might seem interested in you, you can just contact that. Not one, contact as many web developers as you like, and after contacting them, make sure you have a good relationship with them, liking their posts, doing all this. And anyone that have a job, maybe their job is to create a full website for a big company, they have a big project and they really trust you because you make them see your portfolio, so they can just assign the job to you to just design the front end of the website, the HTML and CSS part. And another thing you have to know is that JavaScript is very important. You must make sure your JavaScript knowledge is really strong. It's pretty strong, because you can't be a front end developer without knowing HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. I'm going to create a video on the roadmap you have to follow to become a very certified front-end developer and not a front end. So the person can just be creating the back end while you are creating the front end, or they can just deal with the JavaScript, but this HTML and CSS you're going to deal with it, and that's a side income for you. So you can just earn as much as $50 per hour at freelancer.com, Upwork, or Indeed, depending on how much the client that posted the job is willing to pay you. So another thing you can do is visiting facebook.com. All of us know Facebook, right? So when you visit Facebook, you have to ensure that you add yourself to as many web developing groups as possible. So when you add yourself to as many web developing groups as possible, you post this about me, I know how to do this, I know how to do that. So that's all you do on that group, and they post job then and now, because you will surely find a job posted there. So another thing, you can work as a website editor. So I've seen jobs like that, but then I was afraid. I was not a certified HTML and CSS developer. I just know the basic concepts of HTML and CSS. So website editor, they've already created the website, so just manage any error the code is having on their website. And another thing, as a content producer, you can just create a website or create a blog and just educate people on content creating or creating content. So you can work as a YouTuber also, like I am doing now. So post video on HTML and CSS, and that's how you learn. You learn more and you earn more. So you can work as an internship and junior developer in a lot of companies. So those are the ways you can earn with HTML and CSS. And make sure you like and subscribe to this video to get the part 2 of this video. So